Hey guys, this is Mr. H. I'm doing question 9 from the June 2024 Regents exam. About 40% of you guys got this one right. It should have been higher because all they were asking for were the zeros. So all you have to do, there's an equal sign here. So that's your clue. You can always graph it. So let's go. We're going to graph it as a function. Now, maybe some of you guys may have gotten messed up because there's going to get an error message, but I'm going to show you how to fix it. So we're going to go here and we're going to type in the equation. And I'm going to type it in with the issue, and then I'm going to show you how to fix the issue. Maybe this is why only 37% of y'all got this one right, because it's a pretty simple question when you graph it. 3x plus 6. And then I press enter. And I get this message, cannot accept change, invalid input. All that means is they want you to go in here and they want you to actually put a multiplication symbol. That's the only thing you need to do. Then you press enter, boom. And you can see this function. If I can grab this and move it. I'm struggling. Okay, I'll move it up here. You can see it has 3 zeros. Zeros are basically where the graph crosses the x-axis. So here's 1, here's 2, here's 3. Now we're going to use the calculator, menu 61, to actually find each one. So we go here, boom, there it is, move it over. I'm going to do menu 61 again, here, boom, right? And then I'm going to do menu 61 one more time, menu, boom. So those are our zeros, the x values, -2, 0, and 5. So go to the answer choices and see which one. It's in, what was it? It was a -2, 0, 5. Okay, so if we go to the answer sheet, you can see that it's choice 2, -2, 0, 5. This is the one. And that's it. There's nothing more. There's nothing more to do with this. Whenever you see the word menu or zeros, you should go menu 61, and that'll give you the zeros. However many there are, that's how many times you need to use menu 61. Again, my expectations was that this should have been higher. Now, some of you may have gotten messed up with that error message, but all you need to do is put a multiplication symbol between the X and the parentheses, and that's it. All right, I'm going to stop it and I'm going to post this.